so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. Hi guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know, it's been a minute. It's always a minute, but I promise this time I'm going to be more consistent going into 2020. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair unboxing. So this video is not sponsored. Let me repeat, the video is not sponsored. They did not pay me to do this. Yes, I am an ambassador for them, but this is not required for me to do this video. I'm doing this video because I did a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen and you should follow me. But I did a poll on like hair videos or makeup. Like they was closed, but more people said hair videos. So my video today will be a hair video, and then like my next video will be a makeup video. I'm going to try to like alternate between them. But in today's video is about this Dynasty hair. So I've been wearing their hair since I've started putting extensions in my hair. So this is the only, I ain't gonna say that. This is the only hair company that I purchased with my own money. Like I bought hair from them. But yes, I really like their hair. I really like their customer service. And I'm not just saying this because I'm an ambassador for them. Like, I was buying hair for a year or two before they started sending me hair. So, I love the quality of their hair. So, I think that's all I really want to speak on and touch on. But we about to get into this hair. I don't know what kind of hair this is. I got this package today. So, let's get into this. So, when you first get your hair, it comes in like a bubble thing, like you know when you get a package, I don't know what it's called, and then inside that is this. So all the hair that I've ever received, it always comes in a bag. I don't think I've never not got it in a bag. So when you first open it, they give you, it just depends sometimes. Most of the time you get a pen and it has their logo on it, and then they give you, like one time before, I think I got a keychain. It just depends. Sometimes you get something extra and sometimes you don't. But I think these are like hair ties. You get that in the bag. Then they also give you like guides on hair. So they give you a booklet on how you maintain the type of hair that you buy from them, like whatever type of hair. And it got pictures of people on there. And then it shows you like an edge brush, some lashes. They sell lashes. They sell flat irons, and they have like vending machines where you can purchase hair in certain states. And then like on the back, it's just like people that they got on there. And then it tells you thank you for shopping, and I guess I have a discount code. It's Kayla10 at checkout, and it will save you $10 off your purchase. And they have this firm, it's like get now or pay later if you can't afford to get your hair right then and there. And then it's promoting their flat irons. So that's what you get inside your hair other than your hair. So then this is how the hair comes. So it comes in these little plastic bag things. Like that's how all of them are in. So I'm gonna take it out. Sorry if I keep clearing my throat. I lost my voice and I haven't like gained it all the way back. But it says Brazilian deep curly inches. Well, this is inch 24. Like every time you order, whatever hair you order, it's always going to be on a little sticker like this on a little bag that you get your hair in. And then like you take your hair out, and it always come with a hair net. Oh my god. It come in a hairnet, and this is the hair. So it's curly hair. This is what it looks like. No tangling, like maybe like a few, well, one little strand of hair. I don't know if you can see that, but this is 24 inches. It is dry, so I'm pretty sure like it will stretch when you get it wet. So then okay, then I have a 28-inch. I don't know if I should just do this part and come back, because taking all this hair out these little hair nets is not working and it's getting stuck. So this is 28 inches. This is what it looks like. Sorry if I keep looking in that direction. I'm looking at my viewfinder. So yes, this is 28 inches of hair, and you get, I got like a few more strands, but yeah, so 26 looks like this, 28 looks like this, if you want to compare the wells. Okay, and like in length is like, I think that was 24. Was it 24? Sorry, y'all. 28 and 24. Okay, so 24, 28. So yes, and then I got a 26-inch. I will be turning this into a wig. So yes, this is 26. So I got a 28, 26, and 24 along with two 22 inches. So here it is. I got a little bit of shedding with that too. But from my previous, like, cause I bought curly hair from them before. From my previous times buying curly, it's really soft. Hair does shed. Like, I get shedding with curly hair. It's curly hair to me. Like, curly hair to me tangles. So if you don't want no shedding or with a lot of tangling, with a lot of maintenance, don't get curly hair. That's all I'm saying. This is 22 inches. The curls are really pretty. I can only imagine what they're gonna look like wet. Cause baby, and it's really soft. Like, I wish y'all could feel this hair. Like I said, I'm not promoting the hair just because I got it for free. This is the only hair that I've ever bought. And here go another 24. I think I took this one out the packaging. But yes. And then I also received a 20-inch closure. The closure comes packaged like this, and all of the, like what you order, it tells you. And this is a 4x4 closure. So it comes in a little bag, and it also comes with a hairnet. This is the closure. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the front. And this is the curls, the same. It's the same hair. So that's what I received. So I got 5 bundles in all in the closure. I got 2 22s, and this is what they look like. 24. Oh y'all, I ain't lying. I think this one's the 24, and then this the 28 and the 26. So this is how they look. I'm sorry I ain't got no makeup on and I look a little crusted and busted. But your girl tried to get, I needed to record this video because I need to make this wig for them for the end of this month and post some pictures. So like I said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. But yes, this is the hair. This is all the hair. Look how full. This is 5 bundles of full with a closure. So yes, this is what the hair looks like. And I will come back and show you like the hair on and installed so you can see. But this is what I want to show y'all what it looks like and what you get. Like, yes. So I know this video wasn't that long. It wasn't intended to be long. It was just really to show y'all the hair. So, oh, excuse me. Like I said, it wasn't intended to be a long video. And I will come back like with some more chit chat videos and, you know, some more stuff. Like if y'all have any requests for any type of video, please leave a comment. Also be sure to like this video. Like it, share it. Tell your friend of a friend to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers before the end of this year. So that leaves us with 2 more weeks or a week left in November and the whole month of December. I know we can do it. I know y'all. Subscribe. If you watching this video, you might as well be subscribed. But that's all I have to say. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.